Hi everyone, thanks for coming to the video. I am unboxing the Coffee Monster Co. What is it? The Q4 subscription. This is the snail mail. Oh, what do we have here? So my order was packed by Mandy. Thanks, Mandy. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, there's a bunny. Wow. So usually the delivery would take about, I don't know, 2 business days, but thanks to Canada Post being on like the rotational strike, it was shipped on Wednesday, and I just received it today, and today is Friday, like, so it's the Friday after. Normally I would receive it on like last Friday. Usually they don't draw on the envelope. Let's see if there's, am I missing anything inside? Nope. There we are. Then we have this journaling card over here. Oh, these are so cute. Crown emoji heads. This belongs to, this looks like craft paper. Then, oh, this is the bunnies. Large storybook doodles. Oh, I love this. I love this with, oh, and then this is her the water painting, watercolor. Wow, I love it. This is so autumn. Oh, it's a bunny and the rabbit and the turtle, tortoise. Oh, aw, oh, these little bears. Oh, this rock. And then the foxes. Oh, Little Red Riding Hood. Hey, that's the Frog Prince. Ignorance is bliss. Ooh, I love this. Oh, dew. And oh, this is so good. Ignorance. Oh, this is so good. Oh, this is thinking about thinking about romance, thinking about someone, maybe a friend, thinking about food. I need a lot of that. Think about this. Oh, I need a lot of that too. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope these become full sheets. Wow. I love this quarter so much. Oh, they're so nice. Okay, thank you so much. I can't wait to start using these, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.